Okay, we're hitting a trolley trail, and I just kind of thought I'd add this one in because you could take this from the Lehigh Valley Trail up to OmniTech Place, which runs you in the back of kind of quick fill on 96. When we get up here, you can take a right on 96 and then take another right, and you'll be heading towards the muffler shop, Monro Muffler, and go behind there, and the trail continues behind there, so you kind of bring this up and loop it around and make a big loop, kind of coming down from Dryer Mountain Bike Park and head back up, or vice versa. You can see it's pretty easy trail. Gets a little, when you get in the woods, it gets a little couple rocks and roots and things like that, but nothing all that bad. Go left there, will take you right up to OmniTech Place road, and then when I went straight, it just keeps you on the trail a little bit further. You can see there's some technical stuff in here. And here we're going to come up to the end of it, and this is where you take a right and head to 96.